First, what we'd like to talk about is our DBE Supportive Services website. We would like to go to PADBE.com. PADBE.com is the place where you can come as a DBE who is UCP certified and PennDOT Business Partner registered to acquire services that will help you obtain contracts through PennDOT. From our services menu, you can see all the different opportunities that we have to offer you, from bidding and estimating, contracting qualification, online training courses, PennDOT registration, bonding and insurance, DBE certification renewal, opportunity identification, strategic planning, team building, our DBE mapper coming soon, ECMS training, business development, consultant qualification, marketing materials, PennDOT marketing, and training reimbursement. Now, between the DB and DBE supportive services, training reimbursement is exclusive to DBEs. So with that being said, you can, through the DB supportive services, you can acquire one-on-one technical support, reimbursements for training, and a platform to interact with our virtual services. You also can learn about the PennDOT process, whether you're a consultant or a contractor. So if you have any further questions, we'd like to offer you an option. If you're not sure what you need an area and assistance not listed above, you can schedule a 30-minute technical assistance meeting, and we can walk you through all that is available and applicable to you and your situation. Okay? All right. So you can click request a meeting, schedule a meeting, or you can leave us a message online. If you want to schedule a one-on-one, let's just click request assessment meeting. Now, our technical assistance meetings are 30 minutes, and our one-on-one technical assistance are 1 hour and 30 minutes. Okay. Once you come to the technical assistance meeting portal here, you see the minute time, web conferencing details, and lets you know this is an initial request for web conference. So you see our available dates. These are live available dates to meet. Okay. All right. So say we pick the 7th here. It gives you the times available to meet. One-on-one, confirm, and you would enter your details. You can schedule the event. Okay. So we would ask for your name, email, company name, and then we would schedule the event. So say I just say this. All right. And we just scheduled a meeting. Okay. Very quickly. So, and if you were online, if you wanted to just chat with us, we can chat now. But you can put in a message here, say we're offline. Hello, BSSC. All right. And you just sent us a message.